Who designed the Changsha Meixihu in China? The Changsha Meixihu International Culture and Arts Center is a visionary architectural masterpiece situated on the shores of Meishi Lake in Changsha, China. Designed by the renowned Zaha Hadid architects, the complex is a striking embodiment of avant-garde aesthetics and functional innovation. At the heart of the center stands the Grand Theater, a captivating structure characterized by its sweeping, petal-shaped roof that elegantly stretches towards the sky. The theater is not only a marvel of design but also a state-of-the-art venue for performing arts, capable of hosting a variety of cultural events. Adjacent to the Grand Theater is the Contemporary Art Museum, a dynamic space that challenges traditional notions of exhibition design. The museum's fluid and interconnected spaces provide a captivating backdrop for contemporary art, encouraging a seamless flow of creativity and expression. Complementing these structures is the Planning Exhibition Hall, a hub for urban development information and a testament to the center's commitment to fostering not just artistic expression but also thoughtful city planning. The entire complex is strategically positioned to capitalize on the scenic beauty of Meishi Lake, creating a symbiotic relationship between architecture and nature. The interplay of light, water, and the organic forms of the buildings contributes to an immersive and visually stunning experience. As a cultural and artistic landmark, the Changsha Meixihu International Culture and Arts Center stands as a testament to the transformative power of architecture. It not only enriches the cultural fabric of Changsha but also serves as an emblem of the city's commitment to embracing the future while preserving its rich heritage.